Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful pot of pepper steak. Just beautifulness. Okay, so here I have 2 tablespoons oil in this pot, and then I'm going in with the seasoned pepper steak. Now I seasoned it with everything, pimento seed, everything you can think of, all the good stuff. I will link the video down below of me seasoning it. Trust me, Vibes Sam, just to cook this just by itself like this, you don't need anything else, I'm telling you. Okay, so what we're doing, I am searing the steak. So I want to make sure that it gets that nice, you see how the color is changing? Yes, to that nice brown color, and it's not so red anymore. Yes, that is what you want to do. So get the steak, get everything all nice and seared. And once it is seared, at least make most of it, right? And then we're going to cover it for at least 5 minutes, but 10 minutes is better. And look at it, Vibes Sam. Now I didn't add any water. That was all the beautiful juice just from it by itself. 10 minutes is great. So now I'm going in with some hot water. So this is the bowl that I seasoned it in, and I added some hot water. Now do not drown the steak. Take your time and add water, right? So maybe this works out to be like 2.5 cups of water. I went in with a tablespoon of sugar, give it a little stir, and then I'm going to cover it for 30 minutes or until it's tender, right? So I'm just showing you how I slice the sweet pepper, and I'm going to do the same for the onion and all the good stuff. So this is it, Vibes fam. After 30 minutes, now I'm going in with all the colors of the rainbow of the bell pepper, sweet pepper, right? And the onion, don't forget the onion, right? So I'm just gonna stir it up, and then I'm going to look at it, look good, look at Ready Body. You look so good, you look so pretty. Step out, come to the front of the line with your pretty little face. Okay, so we're gonna cover it for about 15 minutes because this cooking of Vibes fam, we're just trying to get the peppers just to get all up in the taste of the steak, right? So 15 minutes. And then here we have it, Vibes fam. Look at niceness. Look at Ready Body's pepper steak. Now, Vibes fam, as I was saying, do not add a lot of water all at once. I didn't need to add any cornstarch to it or anything because I allow it to thicken by itself. Once you're cooking it for a while, trust me, everything will just come together. Do not drown your steak. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like the video, which is clicking the thumbs up. Share it with someone. Tell someone about Drea's Curious Cuisine. And yes, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. God bless you.